So what's up, guys? This is Chibuzo Agua and you're welcome to Blog Infotech YouTube channel. Like you already know, solar is actually raining, and it's an alternative source of power which is quite different from the PHC and what we have already. So now I decided to go solar and install a solar system in our house, in our country home, not where I stay actually, but one of our house in where I stay. So this installer on the zinc at the moment, yes, is trying to he have set up the panel, but now he's trying to pass the wire via the roof, and he has done that. He is trying to cover up the wire, sending it down the roof, so that he will now climb through the manhole inside the ceiling and finish the setup inside. So this is him here still installing. It's like you all know, solar alternative source of power is quite okay, especially if you live in Nigeria where power shortage is actually on the rise. So these are the companies that made up the power system. This is a controller, and this is a change switch box which the installer also installed. And yeah, this is still him here trying to set up things in place before it comes down. So now this is what the setup looks like inside. It's been made up of a 100 Ah battery and 60 amp controller and a 2 kVA inverter. So this is what the setup looks like inside, and yes, it's of course serving us better. It's powering up our TV, powering up other devices such as radios, fans, and all lighting bulbs. So you can decide to go solar today. So if you like this video, if you need more technology video, kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel and also turn on the bell notification. Go to our playlist, you see other videos. This is a technology based related channel. I teach how-to tutorials, and become part of the family and also watch other videos. So if you are thinking of going solar today as an alternative source of energy, I will advise you to go, because it's serving the purpose of which I set it up for. So see you in my next video. This is just what I want to talk about in this video. So bye bye for now, and yes, like this video, and if you need a question, go to the comment section, ask, and I will attend to them speedily, all related to this video, please. Yeah, see you in my next video. Bye.